And those of us who are raising children got to get it over to our children. But I can't want more for you than you want for yourself. I wish I had somebody to help me. If you want it, there are no barriers. There's nothing holding you back. Get up and go get it. I've done all I need to do as a parent. Now you have to take some responsibility. Rise, take up your bed and walk. Hear me, black women. Stop helicoptering over your boy. I didn't mean to go there, but y'all made me go there. Stop turning your boy into your little man. Because until a boy emotionally detaches from his mother, he'll never be a real man. And if you smother him and hold him close and don't want nobody to date him and don't want nobody to court him, what you're going to do is make him hate women or look for a woman who's going to take care of him. Somebody ought to help me talk it. Stop babying him and letting him stay home until he's on Social Security. My baby, he's 41 years old. Somebody ought to help me preach it. And then if some young black woman is unlucky enough to marry that trash, he's staying home all day watching The Young and the Restless, smoking a joint, talking about the job situation looking bad for the black man. Get up, you ignorant! I almost said it bad way. Rise, take up your bed, and walk. We raise beautiful, intelligent, educated young black women who can't find a young black man to marry because you have mothered him and turned him into this little dependent baby looking for a woman to pacify him. No, a real woman wants a real man. A real man will get up and go to work in the morning. I wish I had one or two more witnesses here. No. The Messiah comes